morning. So today I thought I would do a video on falafel balls. Now if you've never had falafel, they're basically a chickpea fritter with fresh herbs, and you can fry them in the pan, deep fry them. You can put them in the oven and bake them. Today I'm going to do them in our air fryer, so they're a little bit healthier, but they still get that nice crispness. This is something I typically go out to eat, but we are practicing social distancing for Corona 2020, so there's not a lot of options, and I thought this would be the perfect time to do a video on something I've been wanting to make at home anyway and experiment with it. So if you have ever wanted to learn how to make falafel balls, or it sounds good to you, please continue to watch the video, and I hope you enjoy the recipe. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup soaked chickpeas, a ½ cup of fresh parsley, a ½ cup of fresh cilantro, a ¼ cup of fresh dill, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, salt to taste, ¼ teaspoon of baking powder, 4 cloves of garlic, and a ½ of an onion. This recipe works best using dried chickpeas. To do this, they need to be soaked overnight. Once they're soaked, you can drain them and rinse the chickpeas and pat them dry. And then you will add them to the food processor. Next, you're going to want to add your fresh herbs and spices into the food processor as well. Go ahead and roughly chop the current ingredients. Then add the 4 cloves of garlic and the ½ of onion. I cut it up into quarters and then added it to make it easier on the food processor. And go ahead and chop this up as well. You can see how nicely everything comes together, and this is what you want it to look like. Next, you're going to want to transfer it to a bowl. You'll want to cover it tightly and put it in the fridge for at least an hour. This will stay in my fridge for 4 hours today. This helps the falafel stay together when you form the balls. After removing from the fridge, add the ¼ teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. This makes the falafel soft and fluffy on the inside while cooking. Begin rolling the falafel into balls, putting them into the air fryer in a single layer. Once you have them in a single layer, you want to put them in the air fryer at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and cook them until they are golden brown. You can eat this as a wrap or on a plate with hummus, olives, tomatoes, and cucumber. Either way, they're delicious and sure to please. Right now, I'm going to do mine as a wrap. And on this, we're putting tzatziki sauce, hummus, tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce, and of course our delicious falafel balls. So flat iron sweet heat pepper flakes adds a nice spiciness to it, and top it off with some onion. Be sure to check out the full recipe in the description box below. If you end up making these delicious air-fried falafel balls, please leave a comment below and let me know how it went. I would love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see so that you can get updated content.